Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might need to transfer your USDC from your Arculus wallet to Metamask. It's a straightforward process that can save you time and hassle, especially with all the new features rolling out this year. Whether you're trading, staking, or just organizing your assets, let's walk through this step by step so you can do it confidently. First things first, make sure both your Arculus wallet and Metamask are updated to the latest versions. In 2025, wallets have even more security enhancements, so double-check for any firmware updates. Open your Arculus Wallet app on your device. You'll see your dashboard with all your assets listed. Find USDC in your portfolio. Next, select USDC and look for the Send or Transfer option. This is usually a button or icon that looks like an arrow. Before you proceed, you'll need your Metamask wallet address. Switch over to your Metamask app or extension, connect to the Ethereum network, since USDC is typically on Ethereum, and copy your wallet address. Pro tip: always verify the network compatibility to avoid any transaction failures. In 2025, cross-chain transfers are smoother, but it's still good to confirm. Back in Arculus, paste the Metamask address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of USDC you want to send, and don't forget to check the transaction fees. With the latest updates, gas fees might be lower, but keep an eye on them to avoid surprises. Review everything carefully: amount, address, and network, then hit Confirm or Send. You'll get a confirmation prompt. Approve it with your wallet's security features, like biometrics or PIN. Once the transaction is processing, head back to Metamask and refresh your balance. It should show up shortly, depending on network congestion. If you run into any issues, like a failed transfer, check for common errors such as incorrect addresses or mismatched networks. Always prioritize security. Use hardware wallets where possible and never share your private keys. And there you have it. You've successfully sent USDC from Arculus to Metamask. This process is a game changer for managing your crypto in 2025. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you next time.